Then suddenly, just within about a 30-second period, €800 was gone from my Revolut account. 2 years ago, I was heading to Bali via Zurich. My flight was delayed in Zurich, and it was an early flight, so I was tired. I took to Twitter and I complained on Swiss Airlines. Directly under my comment, Swiss Airlines came back, but I didn't realise. I clicked into it and it had 75,000 followers, as opposed to the 300,000 followers of the legitimate Swiss Airlines account. And so they said, "Oh, we're very sorry for the inconvenience caused. We'll get you sorted out with your connecting flights. Please provide your name and your phone number and we'll call you straight away." I got a call 2 minutes later, a guy called Christopher, and Christopher was just like, heard me out because I kind of was ranting. I was just like, I'm missing all my connecting flights. I'm really annoyed. And he goes, "Don't worry, we're going to get you in business class." Like all the things I wanted to hear. We're going to refund you, And he goes, "All we need you to do is set up a Remitly account, and then you need to connect that with your Revolut." Now, I was hot, so I was hungry, angry, and tired. That enabled them to take advantage and manipulate me. And once I allowed access, I just saw €200 appear in the Remitly account, and I was like, "Oh, okay, so I'm up €200, sweet." And then I toggled back to Revolut, and I was like, "Crap, I'm down €200. Then suddenly, just within about a 30-second period, €800 was gone from my Revolut account. And once I realised it was too late, €800 was gone, and I was like tired, alone in an airport.
I assume you didn't get that money back, and there was no business upgrade.
No, I didn't. But I wrote a feature article on it, so I got half the money back.
Good, well, you got something.